Alright, so once you have your surface made, you are going to want to trim out the scope of the area. So all you have to do is type trim, go to the scope, which is just that border around everything, you know. And if you can't find it, it's over here on your layers as well. So you just want to trim the excess around it. And then I'm going to hide the rest of this stuff right quick, just so I can show you the process. Okay, so then you're going to pull over again, and you're going to hit Alt, make a copy, so you still have this one. I'm going to focus on it. So what we want to do is we want to give this a thickness, so then we can create a nice little base for our model. So all you got to do is just extrude it by dragging down. I would try to keep everything at the same level, so just drag down if you can. Because if you drag up, then the base will be flat here, and then everything else will be a little higher. Anyways, I went a little too far. That's fine. Sun. Sorry. The reason it looks like that is because I have the sun a little high. Okay. Alright, so now you just want to give a nice flatness to it. So I would just go into front view. Just use any layer, it doesn't matter, and you just want to make it a nice line across, so that you can trim the new poly surface that was created through the extrusion. So you cut that, and then now now the model's got a nice flat base to it, and I think you're ready to make the contours. So all you do is click the model, and then just type in contour, and then your base point is going to be the bottom of this model, and then just go directly above it. Make sure your distance between contours is set to 1, and depending on assign layers by current layer. I mean, everything should be fine. It's going to create your contours on your current layer, so you might want to just create like a new contour layer. So like I'll just make one right now. Shit. Dang it. It's fine. So it's gonna go on layer 2, I guess. So it's gonna calculate. Alright, there we go. It's gonna take a while to do this, depending on how long. I kind of made my base way too long. I did this last time, and I'm realizing that right now, but that's fine. It's okay. As long as you cut it before, you'll be fine. And as long as you see it making progress down here, your thing isn't freezing. It may seem like you can't move anything, but it's just creating the contours. And you wait. And I'm gonna take a cough drop. Okay. Almost done. Okay, perfect. Well, no, we still got the top of this hill. Okay, cool. Alright, so all the new contours that were just created should be selected. So just pull them off to the side. And I'm going to go check what layer they're on. So they were created on layer 2. That's great. I'm going to change layer 2 to terraced contours. I don't know, something like that. It doesn't matter. Oh, I already did this. New contours. I don't know. It's fine. Oh. Okay. Now, all we have to do is create a surface, and I'm sorry, we just have to extrude all the contours. And so you're just going to select it. Don't use the gumball tool. Type in extrude curve command. That's fine. I don't know what that is for. Alright. And then for extrusion distance, all you want is 1 foot. Make sure solid up here at the top is selected as yes. And just type in 1. It's just going to go slow because it's doing it for 2 feet right now. Whatever. There we go. And then just click it after it settles down. It's going so slow. I don't think you can tell what happened. Okay. And wow. There you go. Did I even do it as 1 foot though? Let's see. Oh, that's 1 foot. This is alright. Perfect. And now you got your terrain model. And all you gotta do is add trees. And you're set. And that looks good. Okay. Perfect. Alright. That should be everything, right? If I do show, can I delete all that? Here's my model. My base is a little bit smaller, so yeah. Alright, I'm deleting this.